First, open Canva. Open the design where you want to add your photo. Now go to the left panel. Click on Elements. In the search bar, type Frames. Press Enter. You will see different frame options. Browse through the available frames. Choose the frame that you like. Click and drag the frame onto your canvas. Resize the frame and place it where you want. Now we need to add a photo to the frame. You can use your own photo. For this, go to Uploads. You can also use a photo from Canva. Go to Elements. Search for the type of photo you want. For example, search for Portrait. Press Enter. Then click on the Photos tab. Browse through the available photos. Choose the photo you want to use. Click and drag the photo toward your frame. When the photo is over the frame, release the mouse button. The photo will automatically be placed inside the frame. Now you can adjust the photo inside the frame. Double-click on the photo. This will allow you to move and resize the image inside the frame. You can also drag the corners to make the photo larger or smaller. Once you are happy with the position, click outside the photo. The image will now fit inside the frame. You can also resize the entire frame. Click on the frame. Then drag the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. If you want to remove the photo from the frame, right-click on the image. Select Detach Image. The photo will now become a separate image on your canvas. That's it. This is how you can add a photo to a frame in Canva.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.